Welcome to Oil and Gas Information.
In this video you will see different types of drilling bits which are mostly using at oil and gas drilling rigs. Types of drilling bits. There are two main types of drilling bits. First one are fixed cutter drill bits. Second one are roller tricone drill bits. Here you will see a fixed cutter drill bit. Here you will see a roller tricone drill bit. Types of fixed cutter drill bits. Fixed cutter drill bits further categorize into two types. First one are the PDC, polycrystalline diamond compact, drill bits. Second one are diamond drill bits. The PDC, polycrystalline diamond compact, drill bits. Here you will see some diamond drill bits. Types of diamond drill bits. Diamond drill bits further have three types. First one are natural diamond drill bits. Second one are TSP drill bits. Third one are impregnated diamond drill bits. Here you will see natural diamond drill bits. This is TSP, thermally stable polycrystalline, drill bit. This is impregnated diamond drill bits. Types of roller tricone drill bits. Roller tricone drill bits divided into two main types. First one are mill-tooth roller tricone drill bits. Second one are insert roller tricone drill bits, tungsten carbide and button bits. Here you will see mill-tooth roller tricone drill bit. Here you will see insert roller tricone drill bits. Insert roller tricone drill bits also have two types, tungsten carbide bits and button bits. Roller tricone drill bits also have two types of bearing: roller bearing and journal bearing. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give your feedback in comments and also share with others.
And don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, Oil and Gas Information. Also click on bell icon button for watching upcoming videos.